Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have one eye done already, and the reason that I have one eye done already, let me close this up, is because I really didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with my eyeshadow today. I really wanted to play with color and see what I can create with some color. So if you would like to see how I created this half cut crease kind of eyeshadow look, then let's get into it. First shade that I'm going to be jumping into is actually from this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to be jumping into that pink shade right there. And we're going to be placing this right in the inner corner of my eye. Just right there. And I'm actually going to change brushes because I really want to focus this just on... Gonna focus this shade right there in that inner corner area, not really bringing it too like far out, if that makes any sense. Let me look straight so you guys can see. Just really making sure we keep it like right there. Normally when you put it in that inner corner area, it kind of like deepens up, which that's kind of what I want. I want it to be a little bit deeper right there, and make sure I'm just blending this shade to the intensity that I want it to be. And if you can tell, I did not, whew, there we go, that's the color I want. We really want to blend these shades out. I do not have the James Charles palette, and I really want the James Charles palette, but until we get that palette, I'm just gonna play with the color and jump on the bandwagon like everybody else is. But yeah. So there is that shade right there. The first shade is down. The next shade that we are going to be jumping into is this purple shade. I'm gonna be putting that on the outer corner of my eye. But first, before we do that, I'm gonna put this like light purple shade. I'm gonna put that right on top next to the pink. So like right here. I'm just gonna place that color right there and just connect it with that pink shade. I don't know if you can tell, but I just kind of like connected it. And don't really do like sweeping motions, kind of like pack the color on so you can get the full intensity of the color like that. And then we're gonna apply that dark purple. Oh, here it is. We're gonna apply that dark purple to this outer area right there. We're going to blend it up, but I placed that light purple there because it's easier to kind of place the purples and then blend them together. That way you get a very like blown out look, if that makes any sense at all. So we're going to just place this eyeshadow first and kind of do like circular motions, patting. I'm not gonna sweep because I want the intensity of the color to stay here. But we're just going to, now we're gonna sweep because I put too much on. This is worry mode right here. I'm just kidding. But now I'm gonna sweep a little bit and just kind of like drag the color out and fan it. But still not going into that pink. I'm just gonna press it down because we're gonna obviously cut the crease. So most of this color is going to be gone until we put that yellow there, and then we're going to do more with it. So there is the color right now. Obviously this side is always a little bit different, but I think that's pretty similar, if I'm gonna say so myself. Yeah, that's pretty similar. Okay, the next thing that we are going to be doing is cutting my crease. This is actually very new and difficult for me to do. I'm not really used to doing it, but I'll show you, try to show you at least how I attempt it. I have concealer on the back of my arm, my bra strap is showing. So we are going to take the, well, I'm pretty close. Let me like, okay, there we go. And I'm going to place some on my eyelid. Look up. And that's how high the concealer is gonna go. My eyes are kind of different. One eye is like when I look up gets higher, if that makes any sense. So they sometimes look a little different. Your girl could not talk on this part, okay? Whew. I'll literally be like holding my breath trying to like get this right. Now I know in the original palette they said that you're not supposed to use a, what is it called? A concealer, I think they said, to, like you're not supposed to use a concealer, you're supposed to use a primer when you use those eyeshadows. So I'll definitely have to go pick up an eyeshadow primer when I finally get the palette. But for now, we can get away with using a concealer because we don't have the real thing. That's the best part about using another palette. You don't have the real thing, so you don't have to go exactly by the rules, you know? Okay, so the next thing that we are going to be doing is filling that concealer part with yellow eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be using this yellow eyeshadow that's in the NYX Ultimate palette. And we're just going to be packing this color on the concealer part. Okay, so to kind of cancel out that harsh line, we're gonna jump back into that dark purple shade, which is right here. And we are going to kind of blend the two colors together to kind of get a very diffused look instead of having just like a very strong pink, purple, yellow. So let's do that. And kind of bring back this purple. And this also is gonna deepen it up like this side. The next thing that we are going to be doing is doing some bottom eyeshadow. I'm gonna be taking that really pretty blue shade right there and putting that on the outer area of my eye. Following this color, we are going to be jumping into this green shade right here and connecting that with the blue. And furthermore, we are going to be jumping into this really pretty orange shade and just putting a little bit in the corner, because that's all the space we have left. And here you go, the eyeshadow complete. I'm gonna be jumping into putting on my lashes, and after my lashes, we're gonna be doing the rest of my face. Now that the beautiful, colorful eyes are finished, we are gonna be jumping into our face part. I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics blush palette and jumping into this pink shade right next to my favorite one. And I'm gonna be using an e.l.f. blush brush to blend this in. We're just going to put a little blush on our cheeks, not too much. The eyes are already standing out, so we don't want to put that much blush on. And for highlighter, we're going to be jumping into the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm going to be using a different brush Hopefully I like the way this applies. It's a very dense brush, so hopefully it doesn't mess me up too much. And we're just going to place this. I like it. It's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. A little bit on my nose. There we go. And the last thing that we are going to be doing is putting on my lipstick. I'm using the liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ashton. We're going to be putting on the color. And that, everybody, is the finished look. It is a very beautiful, colorful eyeshadow look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I really wanted to play in some color and see what I can create. And this is the look that we created here. I didn't put lashes on because I really wanted you guys to really focus on my eyes. But here it is, very pretty. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell down below to be notified every single time I upload a video. My shirt looks weird. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel so we can get ourselves out there and share this video. And if that is all, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.